Hello, I'm Nigel Hewish. I'm the head gardener here at Kingston Maurward College. We're now on the terrace of the main house, built in 1720 and then faced in Portland stone in 1794. And that 1794 is the date when the main landscape dates from. So running away from the house southwards down to the lake is the Georgian landscape. Very much in the Capability Brown style, not his work because this is at the end of the 18th century, but very much in that style. Large lawn, large lake, large trees and panoramic view from the terrace. The lake is 5 acres now. Originally it was an 8-acre lake with 5 islands, and it was stream in and stream out. In 1984 it was re-dredged and created the bank at the south side of the lake, which is now our nature trail. We're looking down the lawn to an area of trees which incorporates the Japanese garden. The Japanese garden was created by the Hanbury family when they bought the estate in 1914. The canal that runs through the Japanese garden was a late 18th century addition by the Pitt family, and it was actually their water supply for the house. But the Hanburys created a typical, at that time, Japanese garden, one of calm, just one patch of colour throughout the year. Farther on from the Japanese garden we've got the temple. Now the temple was originally created at the end of the 18th century. It is a complete folly. You see a door, but that goes nowhere. It's faced with Portland stone, but it's actually a brick-built building. It looks out over the lake, and there's a small pond in front of it. This was put in by the Hanbury family in the 1920s, and the avenue that leads from that is what we call the Armistice Walk. Was created in 1919 following the First World War. Originally it was white cherries, but now it's an avenue of English oak, and that leads back up to the Elizabethan manor.